Welcome to our introduction to building construction. Let's overview the construction process from start to finish. Planning and design are crucial for successful projects. Key materials like concrete and steel are essential in construction. Technology is transforming modern construction practices. Safety measures are vital on every construction site. Sustainable building practices are becoming increasingly important. Construction projects face various challenges, including delays. Future trends indicate more innovation in building construction. In conclusion, we've covered key points in construction.